what's up everybody? It's me, MsEbonyV. Welcome back or to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping on my channel today. I appreciate it. On this channel, I like to bring you a lot of hair-related content, especially with wigs. I do throw in some makeup as well as lifestyle videos and clearly unboxings as well. So if that's something you're interested in, please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos. And if you are returning, hey, my Shug Muffin. All right, y'all, so today we have an unboxing of the brown sugar box. I feel like I haven't done this in a few months now. I don't know, maybe the last time was like February, March. I don't really know. I can't keep up. I just can't keep up at all. But we have another unboxing today, and this is an unboxing for the month of June. Now, as you may or may not know, they don't ship these boxes out until the middle of the month, so I normally don't receive them until the very end of the month. So that's why I'm always a month behind. So we're in July already, but we're just now getting to the June box, okay? That's just how it happens sometimes. Now, the brown sugar box is a subscription box for the culture. Their tagline is culture, confidence, soul delivered, okay? As you can see here on the box. It was founded by two beautiful ladies by the name of Izzy and Liv. So make sure you check out their website, their social media. I will have all of that information linked down in the description box below. This video is not sponsored, but I really love this subscription box. So I tend to do reviews on it quite often. Let's just go ahead and dive right into the box. I don't want to make this video super duper long, so let's get into it. Now, with every box, they always have a super cute little mini magazine. I love these magazines. It reminds me of the old Jet. Like, it just has so much useful information included. So the theme of June, let's see here, Soul Vibes edition. Okay, come on, Soul Vibes. That's what we got. Oh, I'm looking at this girl on the back. Come through, hair. Oh, I just love how it embraces our culture. And now I'm looking at the front. Sustainability for the culture, sacred spaces for wellness and sisterhood, 10 tips for green, sustainable living, plus vibe check questionnaire, the many benefits of yoga, and then work it out sis playlist. This is what all you're gonna get in this June subscription. Now, of course, I'm gonna read this on my own at a later date, but I do like to use this magazine as a reference guide for all the products that are included in the box. So this is where it gives you a whole description of everything in the box, the prices, etc. So let's go ahead and dive in. All right, y'all. So the first thing I pulled out, I'm not so sure, but we about to find out. It's like a heavy. It's got some weight to it right here. Some kind of bag or pouch. Let me read it before I open it. How about that? Come on, Ebony. Just follow protocol here, okay? What is this? So this is a Soul Vibes yoga mat. Okay, then. I would never have thought a yoga mat was up in this bag. I ain't gonna lie. It's a yoga mat with storage bag. And the retail value of this is $42. It has 4 different styles that you can select from. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's see what's going on up in here. Look at this. It really is a cute little storage bag. First, I just pulled the mat out, but this is the cute little storage bag. So it looks like I have Think Differently, but there's also Curl Muse, Namaste and Play, Botanical Queen, let's speak properly, or Think Differently like I have. This is Think Differently. All right, so let's see what this mat hitting on. Whoa. Okay, ma'am. Whoa. We got a whole yoga mat, y'all. Like, what the what? A whole yoga mat. You see that? Now, I don't really do no yoga, but I like to work out, so I can use this mat. This is nice. I'm not mad at it at all. Now I feel like I'll never be able to get it back in this storage bag. Or maybe I will. Look, I got it real nice and compact. Maybe I'll get it in there. I'll make it a tip later, not right now. All right, so one of my favorite items in the box is their monthly t-shirt. It's always some cute and cool statement type of shirt that I usually love. And when you set up your subscription, you just set up your size and they'll just send you the same size all the time. I always get a large. I feel like I need to change it to a medium, but I've been saying that for like a whole year and I ain't done it yet. Because my shirts be so big. But, you know, I just accept it as it is. I'll change it one of these days. So this month's shirt, let me read it first, is Moment of Peace tee. Of course, it retails at $25. I think that's the same for every t-shirt every month. And it says, bring on all the wellness, self-care, and empowerment vibes. Hello. Hello. Set your intentions and find your inner zen as you wear this tee. When I tell you, that spoke to me because that's my life. I need my inner zen at all times. I do not let anyone come in and disturb my zen. It's that important to me. I advise you to do the same. Don't let nobody come in and steal your zen, your joy, your peace. Block them. Block them out, sis. I'm real good at it. So if you need help, if you need advice, come holler at me. I will guide you on how to do so. I am a pro at keeping negativity out of my zen and peaceful place. So let's get into this shirt. So this is a super cute shirt. It is a large. This one actually looks like it's going to fit me. Normally they be kind of like super large, but this is going to fit me. A cute little girl in her namaste, like she's at peace with her brown rainbow. Like, I just love this. It's giving vibes for sure. This will be getting worn like all the rest of the shirts. Yes, I wear them all. I love them all. All right, let's move on. The next item I'm pulling out of the bag is a Relax, Relate, Release on the Go Water bottle. This retails at $20 and there are 5 different options. As you see here, these are the 5 different color options. Now I have this super cute orange one and I love this, but I'm gonna be honest, when I tell you I have a ton of these water bottles. So this is one of those bottles that's just gonna get pushed in the cabinet, unfortunately, because I just have too many of them. And I usually, you know, pull them out when I have guests or company that need a bottle. You know, we're about to go out on the town and they need something to put their water in. This is when I share. But I have so many bottles like this. This is just, I don't know how I've collected so many, but I have so doggone many. A whole cabinet full. But super cute. Relax, relate, release. Got a twist off lid and you just sip like that. I kind of prefer the ones with the straws, but that's okay. I would take this as well. I would use this. All right, so the next item we have is a Moment of Peace canvas tote, and it retails for $18. It says, say hello to your new favorite tote bag. It's giving black girl wellness vibes. Perfect for holding your essentials while you're out and about. It's lightweight enough to bring to the gym and stylish enough to style and profile in. Hello. Your new canvas tote measures 13.5 by 14 by 13. And this is her. It's like the same picture on the shirt. I'm not special what's different. I guess I can wear them together though. Like, I guess that will be a goal. Since they have the same print, I would just rock these together. I will rock my little wellness t-shirt with my wellness tote bag. Why not, right? That's the goal. Super cute though. I'm loving it. I am not mad. Although, let's see. Oh no, they're the same complexion. For some reason, my mind said that Girlfriend was a little more chocolate on this one than this one, but no, they're pretty much the same. So yeah, I'll rock these together. All right, y'all, so the last item, you know, you only get like 5 to 7 items. Most of the time it's 5 items, and we're at number 5. The last but not least item is a brown sugar keychain bag charms. Okay, like the wording kind of threw me off. But it retails at $15 and there are 2 different options. And these are the 2 different color options here. So let me show you the actual item that I have. I have the black one. And it comes in this little plastic square or rectangle case. It's super cute. I like this. It's a keychain. Very nice keychain. With the little brown sugar bag. That is so cute. I have to put this on my keys. I'm not a big key person where I have a bunch of stuff hanging off my keys. But this is super cute. I might actually add this. I like it a lot. Ring-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. It's not a ring-a-ling, but it's super cute. So that is all of the items for the month of June. I realized I still have the month of May sitting here that I honestly never went through. The box is just here. Like, I never went through it. So we're going to do a little bonus. So we're going to add May in here too. Okay? Y'all be patient with me. I'm going to go through this a little faster than I did June. We're just going to show you the products. I ain't going to give you all the deets like I did for June, okay? Because we want to get through this video. I want this video super long. Let's get into it. So, the theme for May was Girl Trippin'. Hey, Girl Trippin' edition. That's up my alley because this girl be going on some trips, honey. I don't like to sit out. Girl Trippin' edition. I love it. This is me and my girlfriends for life, honey. We love to travel. I ain't gonna lie, we love to travel. So I'm gonna have to read through this one too. Gotta find time. Oh my God. Like, I literally looked down. I haven't been in this box, y'all, I promise you. But I looked down and see a whole book by Viola Davis. I'm so excited. I'm not even a book reader, so I'm gonna definitely have to find her on Audible and listen to her in my car because I can't sit still long enough to open a book and actually turn pages. This is not my life. But I will listen to it. I will listen to it. And look at this. Oh, I'm so excited. What a treat. Now, this is a treat because I love Viola Davis. She is phenomenal. Like, I don't know who could disagree with me. Disagree with me if you want, huh? Stop playing. You can't disagree. Viola Davis is phenomenal. Look at the back where her little young cute self. I'm super excited about this. Finding Me. Oh, I might have to read. No, I'm gonna really try to find it on Audible though, because I can't sit still to read. But let me tell you the retail value of this at least. I ain't gonna go through this for everything. This is a $30 book. Okay, that was included in this box. Just point that out, okay? Alright, I'm pulling out the next item. This looks like some kind of, it makes me think pajamas. Is that what I got? What is that? Oh, it's just a black girl illustrated all over print blouse. Hello, speak correctly. And it retails for $35. Let's see what I got. That's a lot. This is a lot. I feel like I'm starting to turn into my bestie Trezzy, where woo, that's a lot of faces. That girl can't stand to wear no faces on her body. And this is giving me that vibe. Like, whoa, that's a lot of faces. I don't know if I'm gonna rock this, but it may be gifted. Oh, it may be gifted. That's a lot. That's a lot of faces and it's so colorful. It may be super cute though. Maybe I'll like, I don't know. I'll make use of it, or I'm just gonna gift it. I don't know. We'll see. All right, y'all. So let's get into the t-shirt of the month of May. This is the t-shirt for the month of May. Super cute. Let's see. Let me get a better look. Oh yeah, come through, hat women. It's cute. I will rock this for sure. So the next item I have is this Money Moves zip around wallet. It retails at $26 and there are 3 different options. This is of course again for the month of May. Super cute. I honestly need a new wallet. This might be my new wallet for real. Like I just need one. And it's just a simple, you know, everyday wallet. It has Izzy and Liv on there. I love this cultural pattern and color and print and stuff. Super cute. And then it has a little zip section here for your coins. Alright, last but not least item, y'all, is a Art Deco luggage packing cube set. So, you know, I travel a lot. And I do use those like, I use like a lot of net bags for like my undergarments and socks and bathing suits. Stuff like that. I use that a lot. So this could actually replace it because it's a little more cultural and cute. Mine is just like mesh see-through. So yeah, I kind of like the idea of this, having the print version. So, that was one that fell out. Here's two. Wait, here we go. One, two, different cubes. 3, 4, and then the primary bag here with a little handle. Super cute. I have learned how to travel smart. I ain't got down to a carry-on bag yet, except like one time, but I'm trying to get there. I'm trying to get to where I only need a carry-on bag. Super cute, y'all. I'm using this. As a traveler I am, these will be used for sure. So, those were all of the items for the month of June, and I threw in the month of May as a bonus. Since I missed it, your girl been busy, I ain't gonna lie. I honestly didn't get May until June, and June was a busy month for me because I was preparing for travel. So it was just super busy and I just couldn't get it out. So I just included it with June. But I hope y'all enjoy all of these awesome products. Let me know what's your favorite for the month of May and or June. I would love to know. I think my favorite for the month of May is this travel situation because I legit travel a lot. And these will really come in handy when you're trying to like compartmentalize items. That's gonna really come in handy. So like I mentioned earlier, I will leave all of the information down in the description box below. Feel free to check them out. I'll also leave my playlist of these subscription videos because I have done several of these videos. I don't do them every month because I personally don't think it's necessary. I am not a fan of product overload, and that's how I feel when I get stuff every month. So I kind of do like every other month with these boxes, and that just seems to work for me. The monthly subscription amount is $39.95. If you decide to get it every month, again, I get it every other month. It's your choice, but you do have to take the specific and intentional action to cancel it. Otherwise, you're getting charged and you're getting that box, just so you know. So you have to I have to put it on my calendar and say, hey, cancel before this date. And I have to go on there and literally cancel it. Otherwise, I'm getting charged and they're gonna send me the box anyway. So note to self, note to you all. But $39.95 is so well worth it when the month of May's subscription box was worth $141 and the month of June was worth $120. So you definitely get your money's worth. I ain't gonna lie. You get your money's worth for only paying approximately $40. Alright, so that's really all I have. I thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will be sure to catch you beautiful people in the next video. Bye, y'all.